My name is Caleb Lamb, and I'm 13 years old.
My name is Gavin, and I'm 10 years old.
I think the best part of Yep Camp is kids from anywhere can come to Yep Camp and try out different things that they've never tried before and see if they like them.
It's like the teachers are really nice, and they let us do some stuff, and like we can do a lot of cool things in Yep.
What Caleb and I like most about the Yep program is it gives him opportunities that he wouldn't have other places. He was able to use the TV studio last week in a program which he would never have the opportunity to do that anywhere else. So it's been very exciting and different and rewarding for him.
I think what makes us want to come back next year, and the reason we've come back 3 summers now, is just the convenience of the campus location, the ability to have him in classes all day, and the variety of classes that he has that is definitely sparking his interest. So things that he loves to do when he's at home, he actually gets to have application while he's here over the summer.
I'd want to come back next year because the possibility is kind of endless. We're free to make up whatever we want. Next year, if I choose 3D video gaming, I have the choice to make a different game about something else.
I learned how to program, do different science, and have fun.